Here in Yakima, there's no shortage of fresh fruits and veggies, but every plant has to start somewhere. Here at the Washington State Department of Agriculture Seed Program, they're focused on making sure that seed is just right, so our produce is the best there is.
I like to explain when people say, what crops do you do? We do everything from A to Z. Everything from A to Z. If it's a seed and not a tree seed, we will do it here.
Paula Moore is the program director here at the Seed Lab. Growers from across the area send their seed here to be tested for anything from diseases to seed vitality.
We're eventually the third-party verifier.
That the grower and the buyer can both trust.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
Exactly.
I'm also guessing it's no coincidence that we're located in the very heart of Washington, here in Yakima.
Right. We do service the entire state for crop inspections, and so Yakima really is very convenient. Within 3 hours, you can get anywhere.
Time to take a seed from start to finish, starting with Joe Lee at the divider. This looks cool. This is not a coffee maker, I don't think, right?
No, you're not going to get your latte out of there, and it's not going to grind any coffee beans. This is a divider, and the first step of the process is to make sure we have a true representation of what's in the sample that's been provided.
So when they ship the sample and it comes in, sometimes heavier seed will settle to the bottom and then our inert will rise to the top.
Oh, okay.
So this way, when we divide it, we're mixing it and then also breaking it down into the required amounts that it needs for the test.
Okay, all right.
Yep.
After the seed has been mixed and divided, we take it over to Mary Ann, the analyst, who will separate the seed from the debris.
You're basically cleaning it out to
right.
get that pure seed.
Just one little grain at a time. And you better hope you're not allergic to that, because if you sneeze, your sample's done.
It's happened. It's happened.
So now that we've got the purity all taken care of, we're gonna take these little seeds over to viability and see what we can learn, all right? Check it out. In viability, they plant the seeds onto moist paper using a special vacuum head with tiny holes in it.
I have a little pedal down here under the floor, and I push on it, and you hear it suction. We sprinkle the seed in here. And then
clever.
Shake it around, shake it around.
Because the seeds are so small, sometimes the vacuum picks up 2 at a time. Well, my job is to pick off all the extra seeds. Oh, see, and then I dropped a seed, so I'll just replace it. This is one of those little pieces of the world that you're thankful that there's people out there that do this sort of thing. I mean, this is not an easy task. And they're doing it so we can enjoy all the crops that we enjoy every day when we go to the store. And I'm sure Paula is watching me going, oh my gosh, will you hurry up?
Okay, so then the tricky part is to make sure you let the air off at the right time or all of that falls off.
Oh, great.
So you can put the lid on the top and then take your foot off the pedal and lift straight up. There you go.
Okay, that's rep 1.
Do that 3 more times.
Okay, I got 3 more times, so you guys come back next season and I'll be finished, okay? Finally, we leave them in a temperature-controlled germinator to sprout. And throughout the entire growing process, a wide variety of tests can be performed.
This is a tetrazolium seed testing station. And really all it is a staining process. We soak the seed in the stain and the stain attaches to oxygen and live seed. It's really just a simple live or dead.
You gotta love microscopes, right? I mean, come on. You can look at anything under a microscope, it'd be cool.
Everybody thinks to be an ag, you gotta be the farmer, you gotta own the tractor and own the land.
Right.
But this is an integral part of agriculture. What you're planting in the ground is what you're gonna get out. The seed does matter. It is the start of everything.